Trading activity at the start of the new trading week turned out to be rather subdued. The euro-dollar pair continued to move sideways, despite the release of important macroeconomic statistics. Thus, the unemployment rate in the euro area slipped to 7.2% from 7.3%, in line with the most optimistic forecast, although most economists expected the figure to remain unchanged. Thus, the European labor market has been gradually recovering for the past 7 months in a row. True, the unemployment rate in the region is still higher than in the United States. Nevertheless, despite such upbeat data, the situation in the market remained unchanged as expected. Moreover, back on Friday, the market ignored much more significant statistics on inflation and retail sales. Besides, European currencies' subsequent growth amid the US jobs report seemed rather strange and unfounded. Therefore, the most likely scenario suggests a return to initial levels. The only question is whether it will happen today or tomorrow. The euro-dollar pair failed to break through the sideways channel limited by the levels of 1.1225 and 1.1355. The quotes are still range-bound. This indicates the high degree of uncertainty among market participants, who have not been able to get out of the range for more than 6 weeks. In this situation, the best trading tactic is to use a breakout strategy. Therefore, a reverse price movement relative to the recent momentum cannot be excluded. A signal will be formed when the price consolidates above 1.1400 or fixes below the level of 1.1220. And this would mean the end of the pair's consolidation phase and indicate its further direction. The pound-dollar pair is moving around the resistance level of 1.3600, the area where the volume of long positions decreased earlier. This limited the pair's upside momentum and led to stagnation. A price rebound from the resistance level may well lead to a slight increase in bearish sentiment and a gradual weakening of the pound sterling. This scenario fits into the pattern of market cycles, thus implies a downtrend still prevailing in the market. Alternatively, if the price consolidates above the level of 1.3600 on the daily chart, market sentiment may change. How is trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news. See you!